Redefining space travel with SpaceX's Starship. Imagine a future where interplanetary journeys are as common as your daily commute. That's what SpaceX envisions with their revolutionary Starship. A marvel of modern engineering, Starship is more than just a spaceship. It's a testament to the power of innovation, resilience, and corrective actions. But why are corrective actions so crucial in this context? Well, they ensure that Starship becomes safer, more efficient, and more reliable with each test flight. Every failure, every setback, is a learning opportunity. Each explosion on the launch pad brings SpaceX one step closer to perfection. Yes, corrective actions might delay the goal. But wouldn't you agree that the ultimate measure of success is not speed, but safety and precision? So next time you see a SpaceX Starship test flight, cheer for the corrections, the improvements. After all, they're paving the way to the stars.